Hey, what's up everybody? So welcome back to Frank's Garage. In today's video, I'm going to be taking a look at a buddy's bike. He brought it in, says it's leaking oil everywhere, so got a little extra time. I think I'm going to go ahead and take a look at it, so stay tuned. I'm going to go ahead and try to figure out if I can get this leak. So let's go ahead and see if we can figure out this leak, buddy. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and start by draining the oil on this thing. Go ahead and drain this oil. There's a little plug here. It's a 15 millimeter. Okay. There we go. Okay. I forgot to record the coolant draining, but I definitely drained some coolant or water that was in here. It didn't come out the hole I wanted to come out, but now I'll go ahead and remove the brake pedal. Next is the Kickstarter. I'm going to go ahead and start removing that already. Boom. So, let's let it rip, buddy. Wrong side. Let's let it rip, tater chip. Let's see, there's still some oil in the clutch basket. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and take the clutch basket off, or the clutch discs out of the clutch basket. Alright, so go ahead and just finish taking off these bolts and springs. Make sure you keep them in a safe spot. Don't lose them. This little thing here. Alright, I'll go put this away and remove all these guys here, dude. So. Alright, so we'll go ahead and take this thing off. There we go. That's the easiest way to take this nut off. If not, you can buy a little tool. So if you don't have a compressor and a impact wrench, you can get a little tool that will pretty much jam inside of here, and then you can pretty much use a breaker bar to take it off. But as far as easy goes, that's the easiest way to take this nut off. Easiest way, hands down. One second. Also, there's this little like washer here that goes here too, so I like to keep all those things together. And there's washers and stuff that go behind that too. So now I'm gonna go ahead and take this clutch basket off, completely off. Bang, bang, bang. All these little things that you see, there's pretty much two of these here. So a little power valve cover. So let's go ahead and take this thing off.
Oh, that's nasty.
Okay, so you get that little C-clip off. So we'll go ahead and remove this water pump cover. get this coolant hose off. Should give me. There we go. Okay, so we'll go ahead and get all these screws off. So sometimes this gets binded. Yep, gets binded on that, on the kick shaft seal. So we have it off. So I got this whole cover off. I think the leak was coming from around this area. But it looks like it was leaking from here. So we'll go ahead and replace this gasket, put it back together, and hopefully it works. So check it out. This RTV shit is what I found in the oil. So there's some more in there too. So I'm not going to say any names, but somebody fit RTV in there. Be careful putting any kind of RTV on this gasket. Go ahead and start trying to take this gasket off. Okay, so I personally like to use this metal gasket scraper that I bought from Harbor Freight. It works awesome. You just have to be careful not to put any gouges or scratches into the actual metal. Okay, so I'm going to finish cleaning up this surface area for the gasket, and then I will unintentionally forget to record me actually installing the gasket. But with a little bit of common sense, you'll see it's not that hard. Just put it together. Okay, so at this point, we're just going to put everything back on the way it came out. Pay special attention to the way the washers go. If you have to, please reference an OEM diagram from Google or any of the sort. And also make note that you should be using the Tusk clutch holding tool when putting this thing on, and a little bit of Loctite won't hurt. Also, pay special attention to putting these bolts on here, because I've broken a couple of them by accidentally over torquing them. So you want to make sure that you refer to your owner's manual or technical manual for the proper torque spec of every single bolt that goes on here. To replace the inner clutch cover gasket. I mean, we did all the gaskets while we were in there, and it looks like it's not leaking no more. We already turned it on a little bit, so you guys can remember from the original video where I showed you guys where that leak was coming from there. Looks like there's no oil coming down no more, so.
A great success!